Hello everyone, my name is Rafa Sanziohak and today I want to talk about the importance of good communication. Have you ever have a moment where someone completely misunderstood what you mean, even though your intentions were good? That is actually very common, and it shows just how important communication really is. In simple terms, communication is the process of sharing messages, ideas, or information between two or more people so that everyone can understand each other clearly. But communication is more than just talking, it's also about listening, understanding, and responding in the right way. Every day we communicate in different forms like speaking, gesture, or even though our expression. Good communication help us build trust, strengthen relationship, and solve problems in both personal and professional life. Yeah. In the workplace, for example, strong communication helps teams work smoothly, share ideas, and reach goal faster. In friendship or family life, it helps us avoid misunderstanding and create a sense of connection and empathy. However, when communication fails, messages can be taken in the wrong way. Emotion can get hurt, and conflict can easily happen. That's why communication isn't just about what we say, but also how we say it and whether we truly listen to others. In conclusion, communication is one of the most valuable skills we can have. It's the key to understanding, collaboration, and success in every part of life. So, start practicing good communication today. Be clear, be kind, and always be willing to listen. Because when communication flows well, life simply works better. That's all from me, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.